Here we're installing the swivel. My son and I. There's one screw, and then obviously the original one that connects. Right there. So, take this out. Take this out. Lift it up a little bit, son. Like wiggle it up and down. Alright, take it up. You can place it on the bed. Thank you. Well, let me see the screen. I'm sorry. I'm gonna mount that first. Just mount the screen first. No, you can bring it right here. You don't want it right here. I'm gonna put this in there. So right there. One, two, three. Alright. Make sure I do this right this time. So it's gonna be same shit. That's all right. Dun, 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 dun. Damn!
Everything falls.
It's alright. So I want to do this shit right. So one goes here, it goes against it. And we're gonna need another one for the inside. Like this. So I want to put one in the middle right here. I guess I don't. I think it's still done. Put that one down, this one up. Slide this out. So why the fuck I got four of them?